welcome to Vietnam. I'm Mary and I have just arrived to Ho Chi Minh City. For me it is just a short trip. I will stay here for 2 weeks. So let's go and explore and I hope you're gonna like it. So I just got out of the hotel for a small walk, and here Saigon is very colorful, bright, touristy. It feels chaotic but in a soft way, not aggressive, just alive. Everything is moving, scooters, people, street vendors, and I am still figuring out how it all fits together. By the way, the city has two names. Officially it is Ho Chi Minh, but locals still often call it Saigon. Saigon was the city's name before 1975. After the war, it was renamed in honor of Ho Chi Minh, the revolutionary leader who played a key role in Vietnam's independence. But names don't disappear so easily, and here both identities still coexist. From late 19th century until mid-20th century, Vietnam was a French colony, and that period left a big influence on the country, especially in the architecture. And what you currently see behind me is a proof of my undeniable talent to arrive at the right moment. One of the most iconic examples is the Notre Dame Cathedral of Saigon. It was built by the French in the late 19th century. Even the red bricks were imported from France. And for decades, this cathedral became a symbol of colonial Saigon. And just across the square, Central Post Office. It was also built during French colonial period. From outside it looks very European, but inside you can find a huge portrait of Ho Chi Minh, and this contrast already says a lot about this city. In 1975, North Vietnamese tank crashed through the gates of this building, and that marked the end of the Vietnam War. The Vietnam War was a long and complex conflict. It was a civil war between North Vietnam and South Vietnam, with the United States supporting the South. At its core, it was about ideology, communism in the North, and a Western-backed government in the South. After years of fighting, the North captured Saigon in 1975. The country was reunified and Saigon became Ho Chi Minh City. But history doesn't live only in buildings, it lives in memory. Inside War Remnants Museum, the war feels very real. The photos are hard to look at. It's not just about history here, it's more about people.